Dear student, this is Shailesh Devidas Janbandhu, Assistant Professor in BCom Computer Application, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. And today's topic is output devices. Output devices has two types, that is soft copy output and hard copy output. A soft copy output is that output which cannot be touched by us or cannot shown to others. Means when we create a soft copy which is on our computer system, displayed on our computer system, is called as a soft copy. And when it is converted into touchable devices or permanent in nature or kept in a paper or produced on a paper, it is called as a hard copy output. So the output has two types, soft copy output and hard copy output. The soft copy output, it is a display monitor, the type of output on which we can display output in a soft copy, that is display monitor. In display monitor we have two types again. Number one is crystal or liquid crystal display, LCD, we known as LCD. LCD monitor is a color set on which LCD technology produce images, just in shown in a our diagram, just like mirror and glass filter. All the rays are transferred from mirror to the displayed images to from transferring from fluorescing film, which create an image to display on our screen. Second one is a cathode ray tube, CRT screen. On old days we see the desktop or TV screen like a CRT screen or cathode ray tube, where CRT uses the vacuum tube containing electrical gun and fluorescent screen. The gun transfer the laser on the fluorescent screen, and external and internal means accelerate, deflect and electron beam used to create image on the fluorescent screen. The screen is covered with the crystalline phosphorescent coating which emit visible light when excited by high energy electrons. Next output device, that is hard copy devices. And first hard copy device is printer. A printer print the information and data from the computer onto the paper. Some printer produce only textual information, where some produce the graphical as well. On the basis of these, we have two types of printer, that is impact printer and non-impact printer. Just like shown in figure, the impact printer has again some types, that is dot matrix, daisy wheel, chain printer, and non-impact printer has a laser, inkjet and thermal printer. These are some differences between impact printer and non-impact printer. Just like impact printer produce the low quality print, whereas non-impact printer produce the high quality print. Impact printer generate the noise, but non-impact printer is quieter or noiseless. Just like impact printers, character and images are printed by making physical contact. But in non-impact printer, the character and images are printed without any direct physical contact with the paper. Impact printer are cheaper, but non-impact printer are expensive. Impact printer are slower, and the non-impact printer are faster than the impact printer. Speed of impact printer is generally measured in CPS, that is character per second or line per minute, whereas non-impact printer is generally measured in pages per minute. Dot matrix, daisy wheel printer are the example of impact printer, where non-impact printer are laser printer, inkjet printer, thermal printer are the example of non-impact printer. Impact printer, the first impact printer is dot matrix impact printer. Dot matrix printer has 9 to 24 pins to print head, to print a particular character on the pages, whereas 24 pin head were able to print the larger quality. The printer consists of electromagnetically driven print head, which made up the numerous print wires, and character are formed by moving the magnetically driven print head across the paper. The paper which strikes the printer ribbon situated between the paper and print head. The print are Just like for example, when we purchase something, we take a bill, and normally the billing or general purpose or receipt are made by the dot matrix printer only. Daisy wheel printer. This printer have print head composed of metallical or plastic wheel. A raised character placed on a tip on each of the daisy wheel petals. Each petal has an appearance of letter uppercase and lowercase. Number of punctuation marks on it. To print, the print wheel is rotated around until the desired character is under the print hammer, and hammering action emanate the character on the page. Third one is chain printer. Same as the uh, wheel printer, the heads or print hammers are available between the ribbon and the page. The print hammer the horizontally around a set of hammers. Then the desired character is front of the selected print column. The corresponding hammer hits the paper into the ribbon, and onto the paper it chain in the chain. It consists of metallic chain bond on which all characters of the character set supported by the printer emboss on that hammer, print hammer. Drum printer, same as the chain printer, the drum printer has also a fixed font character set engraved onto the periphery of number of print wheels, and these wheels are mounted on a drum. The column the printer could print, the wheel join to form a large drum spin at a high speed, and paper and ink ribbon are stepped past the print position. As the desired character of each column passes the print position, a hammer strikes on the paper from the rear and presses the paper against the ribbon and the drum, causing the desired character to be recorded on the continuous paper. Second type of printer is non-impact printer. Non-impact printer. It is non-impact printer. Laser printer is a non-impact printer. Laser printer uses the dry ink called as a toner. Static electricity and heat place and bond the ink onto the paper. As the paper rolls by the drum, the toner is transferred to the paper and fixed into the permanent image. To make the printing permanent, the head pressure applied on the paper by passing it through a hot roller. Inkjet printer. Inkjet printer also a non-impact printer. Inkjet printer uses the series of nozzles to spray drops of ink directly on the paper. The print head of an inkjet printer consists of number of tight nozzles to spray ink on paper by making electrical field on paper. Inkjet printers are slower than dot matrix printer. Typically, inkjet printers produce 17 to 19 pages per minute of black and white output and 13 to 15 pages of color output. Thermal printer. A thermal printer produces a printed image by a selectively heating coated thermochromic paper or thermal paper or heat sensitive paper. Where the paper passes over the thermal print head, the coating turns black in the area where it is heated. Produce an image. Thermal printer can also print two different color, that is black and additional color, by applying heat at two different temperatures. Just like our bus ticket, it uses the thermal printer to print the ticket. Plotter. Plotters. In drum plotter, the paper on which the design is to be printed is placed over a drum. These plotters consist of one or more pen that is mounted on the carriage which is horizontally across the drum. The drum can rotate in either clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. The control of plotting instructions sent by a computer. Drum plotter are used to produce continuous output such as plotting earthquake activities. Flatbed plotter or flatbed plotter consists of stationary horizontal plotted surface on which paper is fixed. The pen is mounted on a carriage which can move horizontally, vertically, leftward, rightward to draw lines. In flatbed plotter, the paper does not move. The pen holding mechanism provides all the motion. These plotter are instructed the computer on the movement the pen x and y coordinate on the page. Flatbed plotter are used in design of ships, aircraft, building, and so on. Voice output system. Output system enable the computer to talk to its user. It consists audio response devices that produce the audio output. Just like voice response systems typically of three types. Audio output device. To audio output device, we need a headphones or speakers that attach with a computer system, and computer can generate the electrical signals to pass to the output devices or audio output devices, and it convert into the audio voice which can understand by the user. Voice reproduction system. Voice reproduction system are used to convert the actions performed by the user on our computer. It is better useful for the disabilities persons who cannot hear the or see the execution. The computer system produce the voice or reproduce the voice which action performed by the user. Just like in most of the ATM system or ATM machines, the machine will prompt you what to do or what type of procedure you should follow. Answering machine is an example of voice reproduction system. Speech synthesizer. Speech synthesizer are used to convert the audio or convert the text to speech and speech to text formatives, where learning pronunciations, vocabulary building can be done, or the person or user can say something to the computer system and it can convert or synthesize the audio and synthesize it, the speech synthesizer. Projector. It is most important. A projector is an output device that can take images generated by computer and reproduce them on a large flat surface. All modern television and projector have one or more ports that allow them to receive and display an image generated by a computer. Both desktop and laptop computers are capable of connecting to a TV or projector, provided that they have appropriate cables. Normally, projector project a small picture or small projection site into a large one. For example, projector are used in a meeting to help ensure that the participant can view the information being presented. Thank you.